episode of Bad Tree Productions, I'm going to get the duster ready for a road trip. I think it's going to snow too. So the reasoning is, apparently the sweet exhaust we put on the old duster fell off. It fell off. I think that's the J-head trip mobile. Snow or shine, rain or sleet, whatever. So I'm going to drop this off. Wheel another A-body home. Alright, let's see what they're on about here. Someone told me it was loud. Maybe we should fix that too. It's always something with a Mopar, I tell you that. Nailed it. So legend has it, this fell off the other day on Main Street because apparently we don't know what we're doing. But luckily, we built an exhaust short enough to fit in the trunk of an A-body. There's a plus. And in doing so, he kind of smooshed it. So I'm going to just try to maybe wedge that back open with something and slap back on. Maybe throw a tack weld on it too and a clamp. Clamperoni. Moves around pretty easy. It resembles a shape. He lost the mitten. That don't matter, but alright. So it looks further than it was. I could be mistaken. Oh, what I wouldn't give for a lift. It's on the ground stuff. Ain't fun for anybody. Wonder if I can bend that. Maybe a little better than it was. Maybe. That's pretty solid. I'm gonna put some bubble gum right there. Alright. Shut your eyes, folks. Oh yeah, calling it. All right, should be an improvement. It's not quite running right though. I think I'll leave it out in the driveway running for a bit and see if it straightens out. Ooh, that makes me exhausted. Oh, sorry guys. All right, got her full of fuel, checked all the fluids, got the exhaust fixed. Obviously, had to be done. I'm gonna throw a little temp patch. Yeah, we still haven't done that yet. There's the metal I kind of cut out. And this could save you thousands. Got some white flex tape. And maybe, just for now, I mean, the less water that goes in, the better, right? But we gotta let the roof and everything heat up first in the garage here. So on to the trunk patch. I'm gonna mark the edges here. So I'm gonna put some silicone down under this, and then just a few pop rivets. This is all extraordinarily temporary. Just to keep the junk in the trunk. Just kind of schmutz a little. Get some holes drilled. Get the pop rivets. I always like to keep the drill bit with the rivets. Because if your garage is anything like this one, stuff goes everywhere. Anytime, every time. Alright. A little pricey as a substitute for silicone, but what do you do? So, just kind of set him down. Alright, I'll just lay a block of wood on it to moose the rest of it. I don't want to get crazy with the pop rivets. There's no reason for it. Maybe a block of wood and a hammer, just to kind of goosh it. Alright, this stuff is crazy sticky. I'm going to maybe use this. Kind of push it in everywhere. Maybe put another piece overlap and kind of. That can't be good water going right down the gullet. So it feels real solid though. I'll do that one way back there too. These ones in the gutter maybe we'll leave because it should just kind of run out. Yeah. Focus. I'll do that little nasty over there now. Solid under there. I've heard horror stories of people pulling a vinyl roof off that looked fine, and it was just, that was the only thing holding the roof together was the vinyl. Let's hope that's not the case here, because I like vinyl tops. Jeepers. The glue is so sticky, it wants to, whatever you're cutting it with, it grabs that. It doesn't let it kind of glide through. Must have fell asleep during the infomercial on what you cut it with. And if you ain't got fingernails, you ain't taking it apart. Damn, Christmas. There we do it. Well, that's cool in the gang there. I mean, it's a blatant obvious patch, but weather-wise, it's just better than letting the problem accelerate. Oh, sweet. Alright, that'll do it for this episode. I've got the exhaust back on, fluids checked, full of fuel, got some Flex Seal on the roof, I suppose, got the trunk hole patched as good as it's going to be, just kind of kicking the tires. So in the morning, me and Blake are off up north. I believe it's like 130 miles one way to get them J-heads for my car. And hopefully everything goes good. There is weather, but you know, we can do it. They drove these in the snow back in the 70s, so why can't we do it now? This might be a little slow going. Alright, like, share, subscribe, hit the bell. If you want to tell us something, comment. Easy as that. Thanks, guys.